Today, I am reviewing the Intel NUC 13 Pro. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Finding a desktop computer that strikes the perfect balance between raw computing power, energy efficiency, and a compact physical footprint can often feel like an exercise in compromise. Far too often, choosing a small form factor machine means sacrificing performance or dealing with limited connectivity options. Fortunately, the ASUS Intel NUC 13 Pro, specifically the Arena Canyon model configured with a 13th generation Intel Core i5 processor, shaves away all of those traditional limitations. After spending an extended amount of time putting this ultra-compact mini PC through its paces in both rigorous business workloads and intensive daily home office tasks, it stands out as a thoroughly impressive, reliable, and versatile computing powerhouse that completely redefines what a 4x4-inch computer can achieve. At the very core of this machine's exceptional performance is the 13th generation Intel Core i5 1340p processor. This CPU uses a modern hybrid architecture that combines 4 high-performance cores with 8 energy-efficient cores, creating a total of 12 cores and 16 threads. In real-world testing, this architectural design is nothing short of brilliant. When you are pushing the system with heavy demands like complex data processing, compiling code, or running multiple virtual environments, the performance cores kick in with a turbo boost of up to 4.60 GHz to chew through the workload effortlessly. Conversely, during lighter tasks like word processing, web browsing, or streaming media, the efficiency cores handle the load silently, keeping power consumption and heat dissipation to an absolute minimum. Coupled with the integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics, the system delivers incredibly smooth visual rendering and snappy UI responsiveness, making it a stellar fit for creative professionals handling lightweight video editing or graphic design work. Out of the box, this specific model comes exceptionally well configured with 16 GB of dual-channel DDR4 memory running at 3,200 MHz, paired with a blisteringly fast 512 GB M.2 PCIe Gen 4 NVMe solid-state drive. Because the operating system is pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, the setup process is entirely plug-and-play. You simply connect your peripherals, power it on, and you are ready to work within minutes. The choice of hardware components here drastically reduces system latency and application loading times. Moving large files happens almost instantly, and multitasking between dozens of browser tabs and heavy productivity applications feels entirely seamless. For users who want long-term longevity, the upgrade path is fantastic. The memory can be expanded up to 64 GB, and there is an additional secondary slot for storage expansion, ensuring that this mini PC can easily grow alongside your evolving technological needs. Connectivity is an area where many mini computers fall flat, but this NUC 13 Pro offers an absolute masterclass in input and output options. Around the back, you'll find 2 ultra-versatile Thunderbolt 4 ports, which natively support USB 4 and DisplayPort 2.1 protocols, alongside 2 HDMI 2.1 ports. This impressive array means you can drive up to 4 independent displays simultaneously, supporting resolutions all the way up to 8K or 4K configurations. For stock traders, digital signage operators, or power users who require vast screen real estate to manage their workflows, this capability is a massive advantage. Physical peripheral connectivity is equally robust, featuring multiple USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A ports on both the front and rear panels, a 2.5 gigabit RJ45 Ethernet port for blazing fast wired networking, and a convenient front-facing 3.5mm stereo headset jack. On the wireless front, the inclusion of Intel Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 guarantees a highly stable, high-bandwidth connection to your wireless network and external accessories, virtually eliminating wireless congestion issues. For commercial and enterprise environments, this machine transitions from a simple hardware unit into a highly strategic business asset. It comes fully equipped with the Intel NUC Pro software suite, which introduces incredibly advanced manageability features designed to ensure maximum uptime. Features like hardware-based power control, hardware keyboard video mouse access, boot redirection, and cloud-based remote manageability allow IT departments to diagnose, fix, and update systems remotely, even if the operating system itself becomes completely unresponsive. Furthermore, the physical chassis is engineered with sustainability and longevity in mind. It is purposefully designed to be easily upgradable, reparable, and reusable, providing an eco-friendly computing foundation that helps businesses reduce electronic waste. Rounding out the entire package is the immense peace of mind provided by the robust warranty coverage. Being backed by a 3-year global warranty from ASUS for the core barebone components, alongside a 3-year warranty on the RAM, SSD, and operating system from the seller, shows an incredible level of confidence in the machine's build quality and long-term reliability. It is a quiet, power-sipping, and incredibly durable desktop replacement that takes up practically no desk space while delivering the uncompromising speed of a traditional full-size tower. For anyone seeking a premium, commercial-grade mini PC for a demanding home office or a scaled business deployment, this 13th generation NUC is a truly outstanding investment that will not disappoint.